Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe's mom here to show you how to make another drool-worthy human treat. Bobby Joe will join us for our next video, which will be some frozen doggy treats, so stay tuned for that. We got a special request from my sister Rose. When we were growing up, our mom cooked Hamburger Helper, and one of our favorites was rice Oriental. I don't really miss Hamburger Helper. I prefer not to cook anything out of the box, but Rose asked if I could attempt to make a copycat version of rice Oriental. Hamburger Helper has discontinued this flavor, so she has no other options. So Rose does not do onions, and most of the recipes I found online called for onions or onion soup mix. There were not onions in Hamburger Helper, maybe some flavoring, but not actual onions or dried onions. So I pulled up the ingredients on the box. Yes, you can Google Hamburger Helper and get a photo of the box so you can see what ingredients they added. I played around with it a little and I came up with this version of the recipe. I decided to replace onion soup mix that most people are using in their recipe with brown gravy mix. I have nothing against onion soup mix, I actually love it. I was just trying to find something less oniony for Rose. I'm also trying to keep it as simple as possible since Hamburger Helper is famous for being a quick, just add meat kind of meal. Here are the ingredients needed. 1 pound of ground beef, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 3 beef bouillon cubes, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 envelope of brown gravy mix, 3½ cups of water, and 1½ cups of long grain white rice. So you want to start off by browning your hamburger meat. Mine is already browned. I buy a family pack and I brown what I will use ahead of time and then I freeze it. You want to mix in your onion and garlic powder. Add your ginger. You want to add 2 cups of hot water to a measuring cup. Then you want to add in your 3 beef bouillon cubes and soy sauce and mix until the cubes are dissolved, and you pour that into the skillet with the hamburger meat mixture. With that same measuring cup, you want to add 1½ cups of cold water. You mix in the gravy packet, you mix it until the lumps are gone, and then you mix that into the skillet. Once everything starts boiling, you want to rinse 1½ cups of long grain rice and then add it into the skillet. Do not use instant or minute rice for this recipe. You want to stir everything together and reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to make sure it isn't sticking. It is done once all the liquid is absorbed. It will also thicken more as it cools. And then we served it with some warm biscuits. This was a delicious meal. It definitely gets the drool-worthy stamp of approval. For all you rice Oriental fans, I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Now the test will be seeing if Rose likes it. I hope you liked our video. If so, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Also, if you make this, leave us a photo on Bobby Joe's Facebook page so we can see how it turned out. Until next time, stay safe, stay home, say your prayers, and wash your hands. Bye for now.